Hi everybody, my name is Bethlyn and my sister is still sleeping in the bed. And then I'm 5 years old. I have something. Ta-da! And this is my sister's one. We cannot simply take. Hers come out from the hair like this. We need to press it down. Mine is like this. Use it to come down. It's different. And actually we have this one. With a that, actually we have this one. Do you know why the color is all green? Because I mix up the colors already for play. So we have a lot of things. First, take out the Play-Doh. First, we will take out the Play-Doh. It has no toys inside. It's only all plain. And then you're going to show the pickle up. And then, like this, take a long big one. Like this Play-Doh. Roll it until big. And then you put it into the hole. We still add some more, but a little bit more. Half. Yes. And then we roll it into a small ball. And then we just bake it. And then we put it down. And then you press it. Then the hair will come out. Then mine is the green color here. Ah! Wait, we need some more. And then we can push up the hair. And then if you want one hair, you can always put like this. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Ta-da! Now my hair is already super duper long. Now we already finished this thing. And then we're going to do this now. And then I'm going to pull up the hair. And he is both up again. Wait. On play now. And get it out. Huh? No, I want to take again. And then, oopsie.